ทำไม่โตทำไม
I don't think he wants it.
Oh my god. They gave him a shot of Dilaudid.
Luna, swim faster. You're not gonna get away.
Roxy, it's okay.
Good boy.